Hey guys, if you want to delete all your transaction history on your MoneyGram account, is that there is actually no direct method of it doing. So what you should need to do is you should need to go first to your MoneyGram website or application. Since there is an application for that, you should press help and search help center articles. If there are actually categories here, which you can see, you can get help for sending money, receiving money, and since we are about the managed transaction, you need to press transaction help or track transaction. It is actually pretty simple, but you just need a verification of what offer or help do they want or you want them to do with you.